Alright, let's take a look at how to solve the issue of ribbon breakage on these T2O machines. If the ribbon breaks as soon as we start printing, after installing it, breaking every time we print, in this case, let's slowly take it out first. After taking it out, the first thing we should check is whether there's a quality issue with the ribbon in our hands. Let's replace the ribbon with another one. Replace the ribbon and see if the problem is with the ribbon itself. Also, check if the ribbon tension itself is problematic, if it's a quality issue. Next, let's look at the way we've wound the ribbon. Is there an issue with our winding method? Did we wind it incorrectly? There is a specific winding method for the left hand and a different one for the right hand. Make sure not to wind it incorrectly. Don't make a mistake with the winding. Another thing is to check if all three sides are level, to see if all three sides are in good condition. We shouldn't have one side higher and the other lower. It needs to be even. If the take-up shaft here is uneven, the ribbon will wind either upwards or downwards, causing the ribbon to tilt. Once it tilts, the ribbon will crease here, and when it creases, a certain area will bear more force, which can also cause the ribbon to break. Generally, there are just these three reasons for the ribbon breaking.